In this lesson, we are going to understand project templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Project templates help you start editing faster by using ready-made project setups. I'll explain what each template does, when to use it, and which option is best for beginners. When we click New Project, you see Project Templates. A project template is a pre-configured project. Instead of starting from an empty project, Premiere gives you a ready structure. A template may already include sequences, track layouts, aspect ratio settings, timeline structure. Templates do not add footage. They only prepare the workspace. There are mainly three types of templates: broadcast template project, social media template, standard template project. First, let's choose broadcast template and let's name the file. A broadcast template project is a pre-configured professional project setup. It already follows broadcast rules and standards, so editors don't make technical mistakes. This template focuses on correct video size, safe text placement, professional timeline structure, clean audio layout. It does not add video clips automatically. It only prepares the project correctly for broadcast work. The broadcast template often includes a clean and organized timeline layout. Here you can see this template have many dedicated bins like footage, audio, graphics, music, photos, sequences, and in sequences bin. You'll notice that we have 3 separate folders for sequences. Each folder is created for a different resolution and frame rate. And this helps us stay organized when working on multiple versions of the same project. And we will discuss about sequences in an upcoming lecture. Now let's create a social media template project. A social media template project is a ready-made project setup for social platforms. Instead of starting from a blank project, Premiere already prepares the project in a way that suits social media videos. It only prepares the structure of your project. This template is designed for popular social platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook videos, mobile-first content. These platforms often use vertical or square videos, and this template is built with that in mind. Here we have only one bin and many pre-created sequences for social platforms. Let's double-click on Facebook Reels. Here you can see predefined message. This template often comes with a clean timeline layout. To edit this, you can simply replace the video and other graphics. Here you can see the preview. All the settings are predefined and you don't need to define or change anything manually. The social media template project helps you start faster, keeps your video size correct, and reduces beginner mistakes. It is designed for speed, simplicity, and a social platform. Let's create a standard template project. A standard template project is a ready-made basic project structure. It gives you a clean starting point without heavy restrictions. This template is prepared, a normal timeline layout. It does not force a specific platform or format on you. Here, you can see that this template has dedicated sections for some categories, like footage, audio, graphics, music, photos, and 2 sequences for HD and UHD. Now learn how to add or create a project template in Adobe Premiere Pro. This feature is mainly for advanced users, editors who work on similar projects again and again. If you edit daily content, client projects, or branded videos, project templates can save you a lot of time. Let's open the social media template and create the bin for video, audio, and graphics. And save the file, and let's name it Custom Pro Temp. And go to Home. A new project, let's name it Custom Pro 1. Add templates. And now select and create templates. From here, you can change the template name, but for now, we'll keep it as it is. Now we have created the custom template. Here you can see we have 4 templates. This is the way we can create the custom template in easy way. Now let's close all the projects and create a new project with our custom template. As you can see, all the customized settings are already there. This custom template is very useful and time saving. The most important thing to remember is to choose the template based on where your video will be used. If you're not sure, starting with a standard template or a blank project is always safe. Templates help you stay organized and work fast. But your creativity and editing skills are what really matter.